task we're going to do is install an SSL certificate, which stands for Secure Socket Layer. And it means that when this is installed on your website, your customers or visitors feel more comfortable giving their email and their credit card details, because when they give those details, they become encrypted before going to the server. So it protects your visitors and your customers when entering their important information into your website. It's also really important to help you rank higher in Google. In 2014, Google recommended that all websites have an SSL certificate installed on their website, and by doing so you will actually rank higher than competitors who don't have an SSL on their website. Eventually all websites will have to have this installed, otherwise Google will punish you. So what we need to do is we need to go into our Bluehost account. So go to bluehost.com and log in if you aren't already logged in. From the Bluehost dashboard, down the side here, we want to go to My Sites. And then we want to hover over the site that you want to manage. So I'm going to go into this site and click Manage Site. And then we want to head over across here into Security tab. Click on the Security tab, and this will bring up free SSL certificate on the left here. You want to make sure that this is turned on, so just click it on. If for whatever reason it is not turning on, try it a few times, maybe up to 3 times, clicking it on. If it still isn't working, then you need to contact Bluehost support and get them to turn it on for you. Now, the SSL certificate can take up to 4 hours to install. And the way to check to see if your SSL certificate has been installed on your site is to just type HTTPS before your website domain name and to see if it loads through. If it doesn't, it just might need some more time. Another way to check if your website has the SSL certificate installed is going to sslshopper.com/ssl-checker.html. The link is on your workbook there. All you need to do is type in your domain and check SSL. So here it's saying that the certificate is installed and issued and when it will expire. So the SSL certificates that are the free ones that Bluehost installs for us, they last for 3 months, and every 3 months they get reinstalled. So you'll get an email from Bluehost saying that they've reinstalled the SSL certificate. If for whatever reason it doesn't get installed properly, all you need to do is go back into your Bluehost and contact them and get them to reinstall it. Now, the best way to contact Bluehost is to go into your Bluehost dashboard, go into the Home tab setting, scroll down, and here you'll find Help and Support. Click this one and it will bring up a chat box. So you just need to click Existing Customer, your name, your domain, and your domain name here, and then click Next, and it will bring up someone you can chat with, and then you can ask them tell them that the SSL certificate hasn't been installed properly. Can they please install it properly? And that's how you install an SSL certificate. We're here on the Bluehost dashboard. I'm just going to show you another area that we can set up while we're in here. So go to My Sites and click onto Manage Site. And then we're going to go into the Settings tab. Now here it has the option to automate updates. So I've turned those ones on just to make life a little bit easier. So every time WordPress gets an update, it will update it itself. Now the Divi plugin and the Divi theme, you will still need to manually update those from your website in the WordPress dashboard. But this just makes life a little bit easier. The next area we're going to go into is the performance. And here it talks about caching, which means where the browser takes memory shots almost of your web pages, which makes it a bit quicker to load for visitors. So what you want to do is just have it on the normal caching. Now when you make an update to your website and then you go to look at it, sometimes it might not be refreshed because the caching has remembered the other page. So all you need to do from your browser in the toolbar is just to clear that browsing data. Also on the Bluehost dashboard, you can see who your users are, and you can get an overview of what's happening on your site. So how many themes are there, how many plugins are there, and users are there. So with the themes, it says 4 themes. We're only using 1 theme. You only ever use 1 theme at a time, but they're just the themes that were already installed on the WordPress site. Also on the Bluehost dashboard, on the left-hand side, there's the marketplace area, and this is where you can purchase other additions to other themes, other plugins, all those sorts of things, which we won't be needing. Also, you have the email, which we accessed before, all your domains, where you can find your name, server details, and in the advanced section, your cPanel, which is where all your files are stored for the back end of your website. If you have any problems with Bluehost or any questions, you just need to go back into your home, go down to help and support, and then you can open a chat box and ask them any questions that you need, and they will definitely be helping you out.